leverage performance monitoring tools like our database health monitor, what can I do specifically?
Well, it really depends on what time and availability you have to focus on improving the performance on your SQL Server. If you're like a lot of SQL Server shops out there, well, where maybe you don't have someone who's doing full-time performance tuning and monitoring, one of the things I recommend is use Database Health Monitor to go in and find just one of the top 5 slow queries each week and determine what you can do to improve the speed. Now, the reason I say one out of the top 5 is typically on most of the really big SQL servers I see, you end up with somewhere between 5 to 10 queries showing up as kind of the worst offenders. So if you can just go pick one of those as the first week of the year and work on it and improve it, and then do another one by the end of the year, you'll have been through, let's say you've got some vacation time in there, 45 to 50 queries that you've improved the performance on, and your SQL Server is going to be running much better at the end of that year. Now, what I'd like to suggest on that, and the way we find a lot of these, is using the Database Health Monitor historic monitoring. So you can turn it on if you don't already have it running, let it run for a few days, and then you're able to go in and find what are the queries that are taking a long time, or what are the queries that have the most waits, or the most deadlocking, or the most blocking, things like that, and figure out how you can improve those. One of the big benefits of doing this, and I think it's kind of hard sometimes to justify it with some of the bean counters because it takes a little while in order to get the benefit out of it, but performance tuning can really reduce your overall SQL Server costs over time through both your licensing costs and the need for more hardware. We took an approach like this with one of our managed service clients a while back, and in the first year, we were able to reduce their CPU, the number of CPUs needed on their SQL Server from 96 to 48, and they simply went to the data center and plucked out the CPU core. After doing that, they were able to reduce their licensing cost by 50% on a monthly basis on that SQL Server. I'm sure what they were paying for that SQL Server on a monthly basis and what we were able to save there was greater than what it cost to do all the performance tuning. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.